My dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gauru Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSC. In the artificial intelligence, the next concept is reinforcement learning for the games. Actually, in machine learning, we have three different algorithms are available: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. But in the artificial intelligence games point of view, we want reinforcement learning algorithms for implementing the games. So that's why in that point of view here we will discuss about the reinforcement learning algorithms, what uh, we want at the time of implementation of games. Here we are discussing about that. Okay, so now let us start with what is the meaning of reinforcement learning. Actually, the reinforcement learning is also a software, because here we will implement some algorithm. Okay, with the help of algorithm here the machine is working. Okay, so that's why the reinforcement algorithm is also called as the software agent. Okay, so it behave in an environment. With the help of environment it perform the action, and here the main advantage of reinforcement learning algorithm is here the agent receives the rewards also. That is main important point here. Okay, so coming to the reinforcement learning, actually the reinforcement learning does not know anything here about the environment. So here with the help of reinforcement learning algorithm, only the machine learns here. Okay, so it learns what to do by exploring the environment. It uses actions and receive states and rewards. Actually at the time of intelligent agents, in that point of view the agent working completely depending on the receives the information from the environment and produce the actions to the environment. Here, as well as producing the actions, it receives the reward also. Okay, so here one of the big difficulties of reinforcement learning is that some actions take time to create a reward, and learning this dynamics can be challenging concept here. Also the reward received by the environment is not related to the last action but some actions on the past. Okay, so here please observe the image here. Here the agent receives the information from the environment and produce the actions to the environment. Here it receives the rewards also, as well as the stats. It receives the rewards also. Okay, so here the agent take actions in an environment and receives the states and the rewards. Here our aim is to find out the solution according to the Markov decision process. Here the solution is indicated with the help of policy, that is phi of s. Okay, so here that maximizes its utility function. Here we don't know which actions we will perform here, which actions we will produce the rewards. Also we don't know when an action will produce the rewards. Sometimes you do an action that will take time to produce the rewards. That completely depending on the algorithm only. Okay, basically all is learned with the interactions with the environment. That is the process of reinforcement learning. Okay, here we will consider one small example. In this particular example here we will consider the 3x4 grid. Okay, here the agent is available in the first location. That means in the x-axis 1 and y-axis also 1. So that means the agent is located at the axis 1 comma 1. Here the main aim of the agent is to go to the reward. Here the reward is diamond. Okay, so the diamond is available at 1 comma 4 location. Okay, here please observe the problem. Here we have an agent and a reward with many hurdles in between. Here the hurdles is, here the fire is located at 3 states. Okay, so the agent is supposed to find the best possible path to reach the reward. The following problem explains the problem more easily. Here please observe the image. Here our aim is to go to the, that means the agent aim is to go to the diamond. Okay, here in 3 locations the fire is available. Okay, here please observe the image. It shows the robot, diamond and the fire. The goal of the robot is to get the reward, that is the diamond, and avoid the fire here. Okay, the robot lands by trying all the possible paths and then choosing the path which gives him the reward with the least hurdles. Here the hurdles means the fire. Okay, each right step the agent receives the reward here. Okay, and each wrong step the agent punish the reward also. That means here the marks are negative. Okay, finally the total reward will be calculated when it reaches the final reward, that is the diamond. Okay, so here what are the main points we will consider in the at the time of reinforcement learning? Definitely the input and output plays an important role in the reinforcement learning. Okay, so here the input is available in which location, that means where the agent starts. Okay, that is the main point here. So that's why the input should be an initial state from which the model will be started. In the previous example, where the input is started, that means where the agent is started, definitely that 1 comma 1 location. Okay, so here that is the input. What is the output? Definitely for every problem we have a lot of solutions. So here also there are many possible outputs. Yes, there are variety of solutions to a particular problem. Okay, here definitely another important point in the reinforcement learning is the training. Okay, so as a fresher we want definitely we want the training. Okay, so here also the agent wants the training. How the training? Here the reinforcement learning is trained to the agent. Here we will discuss the training is based upon the input. Okay, here the training is completely depending on the input. Here depending on the input, depending on the output only, here the reinforcement learning trained to the agents. Here the model will return a state and the user will decide which reward or punish the transition model based on the output only. Here the transition model continues to learn, because in each and every state we will perform an action. What is the next state? That is decided by the transition model only. Here the best solution is decided to the based on the maximum rewards. For each and every good step the agent receives the reward. For each and every wrong step the agent punish also there. Okay, here I will consider one small example regarding how the reinforcement learn works. Here my aim is here I will consider one small environment. In that environment I will consider the cat as an agent. Here the reward for the cat is fish. Okay, let's see some simple example here which helps you to illustrate the reinforcement learning mechanism. Okay, in this particular example I will consider the cat as the agent, but here the cat does not know any English language or any other human languages, but here the learning of the cat is important, because here the agent is considered as the cat. Okay, so in this point of view the cat tries to respond in many ways. If the cat's response is the desired way, we will give her the reward as the fish. Okay, so not whenever the cat is exposed to the same situation, the cat executes a similar action with even more enthusiastically in expectation of getting more reward. Okay, here our aim is for learning the cat walks. Okay, so how we will perform this action, now we will see. That's like learning that cat gets from what to do from positive experiences. At the same time the cat also learns what not to do. From this point of view, from this learning, here the cat learns what to do, what not to do. Okay, so please observe the example here, explanation about the example here. Your cat is an agent that is exposed to the environment. In this case we will consider the house as the environment. Please observe here, the cat is an agent. Here the action will performed on the cat is either walk or running. That is the action we will perform here. Okay, here the reward is the fish. Okay, so here the state could be your cat sitting and you use a specific word in for the cat to walk. Okay, our agent reacts by performing an action. That is what is the action? Here the present state is the cat is sitting. With the help of an action we will that means the cat is walking. With the help of walking action it moves from one state to another state. Okay, so for example your cat goes from sitting to walking, then here the cat is performed one action. Okay, so here the reaction of an agent is an action, and the policy, what is the meaning of policy here? The policy is the solution for the Markov decision process, is a method of selecting an action given a state in the expectation of better outcomes. Here what is the outcome? With the help of reinforcement learning the cat is learning either walking or running. That is the outcome here. Okay, after the transition here the cat gets the rewards like either positive or negative. Definitely with the help of this learning the cat learns what do what to do, what not to do. Okay, so now we will discuss about the different types of algorithms available in the reinforcement learning. Here we have three different types of algorithms are available. One is value based, next policy based, and model based. Here policy means solution, here we will consider the solution. So model based means at the time of Markov decision process, already we are discussed about the transition model. Okay, so here the model based is completely working on the transition model, what action we will perform in that particular state and what is the next state. Okay, now let us start with the value based. Here the value based, value means definitely here we want the maximum value. Here the value is related to the reward. Here the agent gets more rewards, then definitely the here the agent performs only the good actions. Okay, in this point of view, here we will consider only the maximum rewards. Okay, so here this is indicated with the help of try to maximize the value function v of s. In this method, the agent is expecting a maximum return of the current state under the solution. Okay, coming to the policy based, here the policy based is completely depending on the Markov decision process solution. Okay, that's why here the agent try to come up with such a policy that the action performed, which action we will perform with the current state. Okay, so here each and every step, definitely here the agent observes the which action is good or which action is the bad. Okay, here we have two different types of policy based algorithms are available. One is deterministic and another one is stochastic. For all the problems, definitely the deterministic is not a good manner. For selecting the deterministic is not a good manner. At least 20% of the games completely depending on the stochastic, like dice game, ludo game, like that. Okay, so now we will see what is the difference between deterministic and stochastic. Here simply the deterministic means definitely with the help of some terms and conditions, some rules, some properties, here the problem is the game is running. Okay, so that's why here the same action is produced by the solution. Coming to the stochastic, here the solution, here the problem is here the game is running with the help of randomly. So that's why here I will consider one small example. Definitely this game is already played, all I hope all of you at the time of childhood, definitely this rock scissors paper game is played. Okay, here please select one finger from these two. This is definitely stochastic because here we don't follow any terms and conditions, we don't learn anything, we don't consider any analysis. That's simply here we will select only one finger. Actually here the man, that means this is also considered as the two-player game. Here one player is open two fingers from his hand, another player is selecting one finger from these two. Definitely this is the randomly selected. Okay, so that's why here this game is considered as the stochastic game. Okay, this is the meaning of stochastic policy. Suppose what the probability to find out the good solution, here with the help of this formula we will calculate how to find out the stochastic policy. Okay, so this is the information about the second one, that is the policy based. Coming to the third one, that is model based. Here the model, already we know some information regarding to the model, already we have discussed at the time of Markov decision process. Okay, so here the model means definitely it considers the present state and action. With the help of the current state and the current action, here we will decide, here the agent decide which is the next state. Okay, so please observe here, the agent observe everything here, all the possibilities. Suppose here the agent knows what the state is present. So at that particular state, suppose we will consider one action, what is the next next state. Okay, so with the help of these terms and conditions, here the agent working process is going on. Okay, so here I will consider some characteristics of reinforcement learning. Okay, actually here no supervisor is available, so definitely the completely the agent is working on the reinforcement learning. That means depending on the algorithm only, here the learning is possible for the agent. Okay, so definitely here the agent observes the environment. With the help of environment, here the agent learns lot of things. Okay, so here the agent consider the sequential decision making only. He definitely it the time plays a crucial role in the reinforcement learning. Here feedback is always delayed, here not instantaneous. Okay, that is one of the disadvantage for the reinforcement learning. Okay, so here the agent actions determines the subsequent data it receives. Okay, so this is the information about reinforcement learning introduction and how the reinforcement learning works. What are the main important points we will consider in the reinforcement learning? What are the algorithms we will perform in the reinforcement learning? In the next session we will discuss about the different types, what are the learning models, okay, those things are what are the applications, why we are using the reinforcement learning, in which situations we don't consider the reinforcement learning. Okay, those things are covered in the next session. Until now, please take care. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.